Welcome to your dream home in the heart of Rovey Farms, located at 7591 North 87th Avenue in Glendale, Arizona. Step into this beautifully remodeled home with a formal living and dining area featuring a striking custom millwork accent wall. Seamlessly flow into a spacious great room where the remodeled kitchen features a large island, breakfast nook, and modern finishes that make cooking and entertaining a breeze. Picture yourself enjoying meals with loved ones in this warm, inviting space. The master suite is your private retreat with a remodeled bathroom, dual sinks, and a spacious walk-in closet, designed for comfort and convenience. With 4 additional bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, there's room for everyone. Whether you need space for family or a dedicated home office, this house has you covered. Step outside to your backyard oasis, where a sparkling pool, patio, and built-in BBQ create the ideal setting for relaxation or hosting weekend get-togethers. Imagine the summer evenings spent grilling by the pool under the Arizona sky. Enjoy neighborhood perks like a park with sports courts, a splash pad, and Westgate Entertainment District just minutes away, offering endless options for dining, shopping, and entertainment. This home truly has it all. Ready to make it yours? Contact Crystal and Cassie with My Home Group today to schedule a showing.